Alright, next we're going to continue on with the prototype that we worked on in the last tutorial. First thing I want to talk about is general organization. So I've organized my components into using a frame type up here called section, and that allows you to create different zones that don't get exported in your prototype. So a nice little organizational structure. They have their own layer. In addition, if you look at the layering system that I have here, I've put all my screens at the top. I've given them all a kind of a prefix name of screen and then their type, just for a visual organization, and then put all my component sections down. By doing this, it gives you a layer structure where you can kind of have a better organization of these materials, because your layers can get pretty crazy and your future self is going to have a harder time finding information. So I've got a couple of features that we'll be talking about. Let that load. So one is this idea of sticking to the top. So if we look here, we've got our header that sticks to the top. The next bit is using some animated features with a back button. You're probably already familiar with that. And the last one is using, currently in beta, it appears to be quite stable though. Up here, if you look, this variables system, where you can create kind of a central key for different types like colors or numbers or words or true or falses. And it allows you to kind of design for different contexts. So if you look, I've got a light mode and a dark mode. And so I've defined this color and say, you know, in light mode, I want my pop light extra to be this color. But in dark mode, I want it to be this color. So if you establish it that way, and you click on the main screen up here, there's a mode that you can set, and I'm going to change it to dark, and now we have stipulations for dark and light mode, which is pretty cool. So we'll discuss that in this tutorial. Hope you're excited.